Well, let me start off my video by just thanking you for watching them and subscribing to my YouTube channel and maybe bookmarking my Facebook page. All the information should be on my YouTube channel or below this post, okay? Facebook is my favorite as far as social media. And YouTube, of course, because I can put these darn videos up and hopefully give you guys some value in whatever business you're in. And of course, I got my LiveGood hat on, so that's what I'm going to speak about the next couple minutes, okay? By far, my biggest question that I get each week from my downline or just people interested in LiveGood is, now, what is the pay plan? You don't buy products, but you earn commissions on the membership side. And I just say, yes. Okay. Now, I can't get on the phone, type and text exactly what our pay plan is. But what I can do is direct you directly to a link to a YouTube video where you can just sit back and relax and watch this YouTube video, okay, as many times as you need, because it describes all 7 ways that we get paid. And the reason why LiveGood is so successful is, number one, the products are awesome. They really are. I don't have to fake it to make it and bull crap and blow smoke up your wazoo. Products are awesome, but $9.95 a month. Everyone can afford to join LiveGood, okay? Products have 3-month guarantee. You don't like the product? Send the product back, even if it's empty. Just a portion of the container, the package. Send it back to Jupiter, Florida, the distribution center. Get your money back. Okay? Peace and love. I love that. That is such a great thing to offer people that just want to try our products. Okay? So, to be an affiliate, it's only $40. 2 $20 bills. $40, that's it. One and done for life. Okay? Another reason why LiveGood is so successful. But everyone can do this. If you can just invite people to watch simple little links, guys, you can do this. So if somebody, and if you're in LiveGood now or you're thinking about it, when someone contacts you, can you describe the pay plan? I want you to do this, okay? I want you to direct them to your LiveGood business, okay? Or right here, do you see where the very bottom of your cell phone or the bottom left of your home or computer screen, your laptop, see it says pay plan or affiliate pay plan? It'll say affiliate if your screen has more room, but pay plan, have people click that link. Now look, it describes all 7 ways, okay? From the fast start commission, when you sign up, you get a quick $25 next Thursday. Every Thursday, they pay like clockwork, okay? And it describes, 50%, 10%. Now, don't get all tripped up in the web pages. The matrix commission, what is that? I'm confused. What's 2.5, okay? Just relax. It's all explained in the video. Number 3, the matching bonus. Number 4, retail commission. If you want to go ahead and just sell them out of the trunk of your car, Amazon, online, or at your gym, okay, you can retail our products because we're a wholesale-based company. Okay, number 5, number 6, number 7. Okay, now read all of those, okay, on your screen or your cell phone, but please go to the bottom and watch this YouTube video. Okay, say hello to the pretty girl, and then click that little button in the middle of the YouTube video, sit back, and it takes, I think, 9 minutes to go through all 7. Okay, I can't stress how much you should do this, because if you try to explain all 7, all right, 5 plus 2, how about 3 plus 4? Guys, it'll drive you crazy. And if you join LiveGood and you want to recruit and be an affiliate like I am, you're going to sit there for 5 to 10 minutes and over-explain the comp plan. And then people are going to zone out and go, well, I got to go feed my pet giraffe. I got to go. Okay? Don't do that. Let all video do recruiting. Let all video on websites describe the products. And when it comes to the pay plan, please don't even try to explain it. Let people just sit back and watch the YouTube video. And if they don't understand, let's say number 5 and 6 out of 7, they can go back. You can go back. Rewind, watch. Rewind, watch. Then after 3 or 4 times of watching, all of a sudden you know all 7. Okay? And you'll realize that out of 7, you're only going to focus on probably 2 or 3. But isn't it nice to know that the computer, no matter what you do, it will figure out your pay. Every 7 days, you're going to get paid on the week prior's activity. Okay? It is all broken down. Because right now, I get so much pay all over the place, I can't even keep up with it. 25 cents here, spill down. Oh, little retail sales here. Oh, the matching bonus there. Guys, it's exciting. And boy, does it start paying. Based on memberships of $9.95 a month. And if you don't think it adds up, you're wrong. Okay? You're just wrong. LiveGood is worth your while. Please take the products if you can. If you don't like them, get your money back within 3 months, 90 days. If you want to be an affiliate, $40, that's it, guys. This is not a high-ticket, expensive endeavor unless you make it. The websites are already built. Capture page is already doing fine. I've signed up almost 400 people using just the normal capture page. And where is it? joincory.com. I bought this domain name from GoDaddy and I forwarded it. Okay, I made these business cards at Vistaprint. Okay, I spent about $30 for a big box that'll last me all year. I rounded the corners. I put Join Cory. You can see it. I'm sorry, the light's probably reflecting. But I make my business cards easy. I just want people to see the LiveGood capture page. And this is what it is. Okay, so joincory.com. That's the domain I own. And I have GoDaddy, no hosting. Just the domain name, $11.99. Now, when you hit enter, look where it goes. This is the LiveGood capture page. This handsome guy here pointing at the video. Watch the video. It's about 5 minutes and 55 seconds long. It is our CEO, Ben Glinsky. He explains the whole opportunity, soup to nuts. What's an affiliate? How much? What are the products? Where are we going? What's the future? Okay? Let that 6-minute video do all the recruiting like I have. Okay, that way you can sit back and just get really good at just inviting people to a link. Now, if people want more information, they'll put their name and email address in, reserve my position. And if you want to join, same process, click reserve my position, go to the LiveGood email, open it, follow, click. It'll go right to where you can put in your credit card information, debit card information. We have pay, I pay out, okay? We know that countries all over the world have different forms. I'm just in America, so you can use a debit card and a credit card pretty easy. But I have people in LiveGood that they're like, I don't even have a Visa card or a debit card, but we do have Bitcoin available. Good. We'll work it out. Don't worry about it. This is a worldwide company. We have over 200 countries in LiveGood right now. 1.5 million. We're not even 2 years old yet. We're not even 3. Is that 5, 2, 1? Usually I just pick my nose with this finger. Okay? We're a young company, but we're going places. Okay? Now's the time to join. It is October of 2024. Going into winter here in America, awesome. People aren't outside messing off. Kids are in school, but the holidays are coming. Tons of people are eating the wrong things. They're going to want LiveGood products, trust me, especially after holidays, Christmas, New Year's, forget about it. January, everyone's going to probably pretend to go to the gym and lose weight. But at least with LiveGood, if they want to go ahead and afford these high-powered products for the first time ever, they got a darn good start and a darn good chance of kicking ass and getting that body in good shape. Okay, guys? Thank you for your time. I'm serious. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. All right? I put content about LiveGood just about every darn day, guys. I've got thousands and thousands of videos that I make, and I love it. I don't want 1 minute back. Maybe 30 seconds. But I wouldn't take a minute back. I have a good time making video and content for you folks. Okay? So anyway, get a hold of me if you need something. Cory at CoryDraper.com. You'll find me on Facebook. Just Cory J. Draper. My username is Mr. Cory Draper. That's all I could get. MR, Mr. Cory Draper. That's funny to be called a Mister. But anyway, it's all good. So thanks, guys. Now, what's your assignment? Okay. If you're not in LiveGood, joincory.com. And if you're in LiveGood, when people ask about the comp plan, you send them directly to the affiliate pay plan or pay plan link and let that YouTube video do 100% of the education about the comp plan. Deal? Okay, high five. Poop. Okay, we'll talk to you next video. You guys take care. Bye.